In this video we're going to show you how to replace the battery on Audi A4. This one is a 2003 model. As you can see, this one is pretty much dead. It won't be able to start the vehicle at all. And it should be the same from 2002 all the way until 2006 models, even upper models. So what we will need to do in order to replace the battery, we need to open the hood, and there is a plastic lid right here. This one is missing, and that's where the battery is located on this Audi, right here, next to the windshield. So what we need to do, we need to pull that plastic seal right here, and now we can remove the whole plastic just by pulling it forward and then to the left, and it comes out of there. And now, as you can see, we have more room to access the battery, and with a 10mm wrench we need to unhook the cables like that, and the positive cable right here. Okay guys, and right there now there is one bolt with a hex key right there, so we'll need to remove this one. It's very limited room to access this bolt, and we have that bar right here, that's the suspension support bar that goes, let me show you better. It goes from right here, from the left shock. Okay, this is the bar with the two bolts, and it goes all the way to here. There is one bolt on the front side, and there is two more bolts right here. So if you cannot reach it, you have to remove that bar, but most likely with a hex key you'll be able to access it. The one that is thin, and this one is 732s. I don't know what the metric one will be, probably 5.5, between 5 and 6 it should be. And now this is the little handle right here, so you can actually move that bolt and the bracket, and we can go ahead and proceed with removing the battery cables. And now we should be able to pick the battery out of there. It's heavy, it's a big battery. Okay, right there, that's the old one, as you can see. And now we're in the battery compartment, and this is the one that we're talking about. This is the one with the hex key right here, and this is the bar that I told you it's in the way. But you can manage it to access it with a screwdriver like that, or just a long hex key. And now you can go ahead, get a new battery, just make sure the cables are out of the way, and you can just install it in the hole right there. And now what you need to make sure is that you have that piece right there, that bracket that holds the battery down. You need to adjust it to where the bolt is in the hole. Okay, and we can just go ahead and tighten the bolt right there. And now, okay, that's the bolt. As I said, it's pretty limited room, but you can access it. And now we can just go ahead and install the battery cables, do the ground, and tighten the bolt there with a 10mm wrench. You can use a wrench or a socket. And after that we need to go ahead and do the positive as well, right there. And make sure that you have the keys out of the car, because sometimes the car will lock when you install the battery. Just to be safe, have the window down or have your keys in the pocket. And now all you need to do is just put that plastic piece right there. Okay, you need to make sure that you go in the groove there, and you just push it in. It's a little tricky. Okay, you can hear it clicking, it's in the groove. And now you can just go ahead and install the rubber seal as well. You just start from one side and you work your way all the way until the end. Okay guys, let's see now with the new battery. That thing is going to fire right up, and hear that beautiful sound. Okay, right there. So that's how you guys replace the battery on Audi A4 this generation. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe.